Today we are here with the students of the Marcus Higher Secondary School. They are studying in 10th standard. All of them belong to Jammu and Kashmir. Some are in Poonch and some are in Srinagar, Baramulla, or other Shopian. And they are here for the Forest Department run natural camp in Munnar and Irivikulam National Park. And we are on the way of trekking. And boys are there with me. They are from Jammu and Kashmir. They will speak something about this camp and their the days there in Marcus. They are brought from Jammu and Kashmir by Sheikh Abu Bakr. For the last 20 years, these students are coming to Kerala and studying there. And their food, shelter, everything is given by Marcus at institution. So let us share their experience in Marcus and this camp, everything. Let us speak with them. How do you feel this trip?
Nice. Very good.
Very nice.
Beautiful place. Nice. Beautiful place.
Wonderful place. You enjoy life?
Yes.
What about Marcus? You like Marcus also?
Very nice. We love Marcus.
These two we get from Marcus.
Yeah. What change are there for you from Marcus?
We are full change.
Full everything changed.
Everything's changed.
Yeah.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
ഇന്നലെ കോഴിക്കോട് നിന്ന് ഉദമൽപേട്ട വഴിക്ക് ചിന്നാർ വഴിക്ക് കയറി വരികയാണ്. നമ്മോടൊപ്പം സ്കൂൾ അധ്യാപകരുണ്ട്, അസീസ് മാഷുണ്ട്, ഹാഷിദ് മാഷുണ്ട്, അബ്ദുറഹ്മാൻ മാഷുണ്ട്. എങ്ങനെയുണ്ട് യാത്ര?
തുടങ്ങിയത് മുതൽ ഒരു ഗ്യാപ്പുമില്ലാതെ നല്ല ഏറ്റവും എൻ്റർടൈൻ ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ട് ആണ് കുട്ടികൾ യാത്ര ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്നത്. കൂടെ ഞങ്ങൾക്കും ഒരു നല്ലൊരു എക്സ്പീരിയൻസ് ആയി.
Sarfraz, how is your experience for forest side, forest department and your class? And madam is here.
I got many experience. Actually, this is our first camp about the wildlife and the wild sanctuary. We got a lot of experience how to animals are live in this place. This is a beautiful place. When we saw this, we get a lot of new things.
Salman, how?
When we are seeing this type of place, our heart is very happy because this type of place we see in life first time. We see every place, but this type of kind of places we didn't see before this type. So I thank you for my bottom of heart. You give us this trip, and also our forest people. They also help us this type of trip. Give us for some beautiful place and some enjoyment place. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Where is Sahil Sultan?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Sahil Sultan, his father was killed by terrorists in Kashmir, and he was brought here by Sheikh Abu Bakr.
Yes.
Ustad Kardapuram.
Yes.
And he is studying in Marcus. Yes. And the death of his father was well reported by all in the national media in those days. Okay, how is your experience in?
My experience, first time. Actually, this is our first camp.
Yeah.
First, Marcus is very beautiful place, and Marcus give us very helpful us. First, I will came to Marcus. I don't know about English. I don't know about study. Then I come to Marcus. Sheikh Abu Bakr, I'm Muslim. I bottom of my heart thankful Sheikh Abu Bakr Ahmad who give us this knowledge and beloved teachers who give us knowledge. Thank you, sir.
How is this forest
Very
area?
beautiful, very nice.
Okay, thank you.
I want to say that this is my first camp in my life. I am very happy really because all of our friends and our teachers are with us. Now we are going for a trekking. Now I feel very beautiful nature and I can see everything, how the beautiful of nature and what is the beautiful of Kerala. What is the beauty of Kerala? So I am thankful to you from bottom of my heart that you give us a great opportunity to see this beautiful nature and to utilize this. So sir, I want to say once again thank you.
Aziz Ari, our teacher, is.
Hi everyone. It's like a wonderful experience for everyone, for us also. So actually we are exploring the nature. Yes. We see what is actually the nature. We are the forest guide. They are explaining, they are guiding, and with the teachers. And with this time, I appreciate Salim Madavur. He's the only one taking this responsibility and taking all kinds of support from school also. And what I can say is never ever in life. So my advice for every teachers should take the students like this and explore the nature at least once in your life. Thank you.
Asad Parvaya.
Hello, hi everyone. Today I am very happy with this grateful experience. According to me,
it's my first time trekking and this trip in Munnar. So I am very happy because all the teachers with us and our class is enjoying today very much. According to me, it's our first time experience, grateful, and so many teachers with us, Aziz sir, Salim sir, and other teachers also, and our guidance also with us.
How is your experience in Marcus?
Marcus is very good place and great experience. According to me, when I came to Marcus, I know little but I improved here.
Yeah,
And
good.
I am very thankful to mostly Sheikh Abu Bakr, Ustad. They are giving education to every person with backward peoples. And now today I am very thankful to Salim Madaur sir who bring us
One by one.
in this tour. So thank you.
Okay, now we have Faizan. Speak, Faizan.
Hello, hi, good morning to all of you.
Get ready.
I'm Faizan Ahmed in front of you. We got a golden opportunity. Firstly, I'm thankful of Salim sir and
No, not me,
government forest government camp who gave a golden chance to us. We utilized this chance and everything we look in beautiful of Kerala and beautiful forest camping, everything we.
Good morning to everybody. Today I am Rashid Ashraf from Jammu and Kashmir district Baramulla. Now I am in Munnar district, Idukki in Kerala. Now I am so glad to be here in Munnar in this district in now Eravikulum National Park because before this I saw so many nature places, but now I visited Munnar in Eravikulum National Park. It's so exciting, it's so attracting place for here are some which I have not seen before. But in this, when I visited in Munnar Eravikulum National Park, here I saw the animals, different kind of plants. That is really attractive for all the tourists. And I am very thankful to all the people who supported us to come in this camp, who gave us permission for this camp. I again thankful to the government of this division who gave us permission for this camp. Thank you.
Okay, Janil.
Today I am very happy because we got a golden opportunity to see this beautiful environment in this atmosphere. And I am thankful to Kerala government who giving us such an opportunity to watch and to learn here in this Kerala. And I am also thankful to Sheikh Abu Bakr who bring us in this Kerala. And Sheikh Abu Bakr given us loads of things and we are achieving from the Markaz HSS Boys School. And also with us our Salim sir who providing us such an opportunity to learn, to go anywhere. And they are helping our teachers, they are helping us to improving our
Madam,
education system. And they are improving for everything. So
How is the forest department providing here?
We are very happy because the forest, our madams are with us and they provide us everything and they given us such an opportunity to watch this beautiful environment here. So I think madam will be told something here.
I have with the Marcus Higher Secondary School students. I am coming with them for trekking, and we are providing an opportunity for them to visit our national park. This is the core area of the national park, and you can see most probably you can see the tar, and this is the most the special flower, the Neelakurni.
Okay,
this is the one. Okay. Yeah, it will bloom in once in 12 years. So you are getting the opportunity. The students are very interesting and they are very active, and they are very active to learn the habitat and to know about Iravikulam and the forest area. Okay, very happy to know and very happy to see you are so enthusiastic and then to know the Kerala as well. So you are from Kashmir, so you are getting the wonderful opportunity to know the Kerala. Yes. So thank you so much for visiting and knowing about Kerala, especially the Iravikulam, the first national park of Kerala. And all the best, all of you. And you use this knowledge and you can learn. This is the best, the basic experience. This will improve to know more about the forest and wildlife, and you bring the enthusiasm to conserve the nature.
Thank you.
That is our intention to give this natural camp and all.
Thank you, man.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
First,
Hi,
Burhan
everyone.
from Shopian.
I am Burhan from Shopian village.
raise to grow. I am very happy today. I got a golden chance to stay in Munnar. Munnar is very beautiful place in Kerala. Here is everything. Animals are here. There is good place in Munnar. We are happy because we got a golden chance. Oh, Markaz is also very good. Our Sheikh AP Ustad give us golden chance to study in Kerala.
My name is C.H. Muhammad Sharafat. I am from Jammu Kashmir district, Poonch Tahsil Mender. Today I am very happy I got a golden opportunity to with Slim Sir, and I am thankful to firstly Kerala government, those who gave to chance Markaz HHS boys and our camp. Now we are in jungle inside, but outside very beautiful place and tea plants, wild tradition, second number in Indian. But I am thankful to Sheikh Abu Bakr, those who bring from Jammu to Kerala and give study and everything, lot of thinking give. But I am very, very thankful. I have no word to tell about Sheikh Abu Bakr, and with our class teacher Slim Sir provide these camps. I am thankful to Slim Sir and Kerala government, everything, and forest department. Thank you.
I'm Zafar Iqbal. My name is Zafar Iqbal and I am from Poonch, Surunkot. Now we are here with our class teacher Slim Sir, and we are very thankful to our Slim Sir who give us such a chance, a opportunity to visit in this place. And we are reading in Markaz in school, and Markaz and our school teachers and forest department give us such an opportunity to express and unveil our thoughts and to attract towards the natural beauty. So I am very thankful to forest department and Markaz and our class teacher who give us such a chance to come here and see this natural beauty. So thank you sir, lots. Assalamu alaikum.
Good morning to all of you. We are very happy, sir, because we have got an opportunity to come in this great forest in Nakurim National Park. I am very happy, and also my classmate is there. And sir, we are heartily thankful to you and Department of the Forest and Jamia Markaz Thaqafat Sunya who give us a great opportunity for study and nature camp in this area.
Okay, let us sit here for some time. Yeah. Yeah, and the videographer will also get some rest. Yeah. Yeah, then yeah. 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 Begin to speak.
Good morning to everybody. I am Mukhtar Ahmed from District Rajouri and State, Jammu Kashmir. Now we are in Markaz, in great atmosphere, where we achieve every education. It means both education, Islamic and scholar education. We are student of Markaz HSS of special 10th high class. Now we are came here for forest camp. We acquire a lot of experience from this forest, how to trekking, how to convey with other teachers, how to convey with Department of Forest, and we have lots of experience about this. Before they have, don't we have? Thank you.
Okay.
Akib Sajad from Jammu and Kashmir district, Surunkot. Here we are in Munnar for trekking. It's my second experience for trekking in jungle. First time I in 8th class when I came here, we went to Wayanad for camp. Now it's a second opportunity for camp. We are very happy, and thanks to our teacher Mr. Salim Adhoor who give us that opportunity, and to Markaz, our school and our hostels. We are thanking to all of them. They give us that opportunity to see the beauty of Kerala and know how the nature of the Kerala is. Before that we don't know, we only think that the Kerala is hottest place. Now
here in Munnar Arvikulum National Park, I was not expecting that we will have such a great experience here in this park. Especially here there some animals that are protected by the government, because they are going to be, their number is going to be down. So I can't express myself and here that what we are exploring ourselves in this nature. So I would like to thankful to all our staff and teachers. They have provided such a great opportunity to explore ourselves here. Thank you. Officer, they have also already give us lot of instruction how this forest is protected by them, and they are well disciplined. Everything is maintained by unity and peace, and showing us that we have to protect. From this we can understand, we can imagine that we have to tell to others that if they are protecting our nature and these animals, that's also our responsibility to ensure people that we should protect everything in nature. Thank you.
One day we came here in Munnar forest. We many things see in forest. Thank you.